Yes, sir. Y'all heard that thing? See them, boy?
I took what they gave me and went way farther. I conquered every obstacle and every hurdle. Looking through a lens might think my life perfect. God gave me a gift and it came with a purpose. Merged madness out and took it global. Turn back in my daddy, this one for the culture.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy P, man. Back with another one, y'all feel me? Got my boy J2 Smooth. Got my boy One in this bit, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. As y'all can see, man, big SRT, man. How we getting away, man. We in Cali, man. Finna have some fun, man. Do a whole lot of everything. Today, well, this whole week basically gonna be a whole different type of content. Like, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be with a little bit of car content, us going out and all type of stuff. But besides all that, man, I had to show y'all the SRT, man. I had to show y'all the scat, how we getting away this weekend or whatever. But y'all stay tuned for the video, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Turn on post notifications. We going up all 2023, like I always say, man. But yeah, man, stay tuned right now. We had recently want to pick up my boy Vic O'Brien. And we in Marshall right now, cause they might ain't trying to find him a shirt or something. Man, nice swimming. I ain't gonna lie, you in there. Where your ways at, one Wallow? Man, swimming hard as hell. No cap. Where your ways at, fool? Man, swimming hard as hell. I'm a little try to. You know what's going on. Good hell. But yeah, man. We gotta wait till damn near 3 o'clock before we hit that spot. So, man, we just trying to find something to do until then. Ain't number. What time is it? 11? It's 11? Ain't number 11 o'clock. You feel me? We just trying to find something to do until then. And really, shit, I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna pick up the camera. I'm gonna get to our next destination. Whatever.
With the motion, probably not gonna be shit now.
I'm black as a mud, no coat.
I'm trying to hit one of these you go football games?
Man, ain't nobody trying to go to one of these football games. But they be gonna be jumping. I think gonna be number high school kids there, man.
You trying to find a bitch?
Nah, nigga.
I'm trying to see some cold niggas. I'm trying to see them niggas who look like one.
Yeah.
They had to be looking for real though. Let's see what part of day.
But yeah, man, when we go somewhere else, man, I pick up the camera then, man. You hear me? Yes, sir. I'm driving the key already. Y'all see how we coming. Yes, sir. Y'all heard that thing? Y'all heard it? Oh my God. Sound like a demon. Let him be real. Stop still. Copyright looking at. Y'all see what's going on, man. Big SRT. Yeah, but I'm gonna pick it up when I'm on the highway or something. Or if I can get some little straightaways, I'll pick up the camera then. You feel me? see. Track steering, man. Stop playing with me. SRT, this not no RT scat, you know what I'm saying? It's the SRT, you feel me? It's SRT.
Yeah. What you gonna do at the light, Pink?
Man, finna snitch out. Snitch out, man, you know. Yeah, I heard them pop boy.
Motherfucker be yanking the fuck up my damn arm.
I already know. Straight how we get away. Y'all hear it, boy? Little POV. Y'all little POV, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. How y'all think? Y'all think I should get a Charlie? Y'all think I should get a challenge? I ain't gonna lie, boy. I like the. I ain't gonna lie, though. I see myself in the, you know what I'm saying, ZL1 though. But you can't go wrong with no scat. I ain't gonna lie, man. You wanna have some fun, show out, boy. This the machine, man. This the machine. This the machine to do all that in, man. I ain't gonna lie. Machine, man. Y'all heard them pop. Here you go, one. Little POV, little nighttime POV, with SRTA, man. I mean, with you know SRTA. I mean SRT scat, man. Really ain't doing that bad on gas right now. I ain't really just been getting into it neither though.
And you gonna launch it at the light or something? But I don't know what the fuck he doing.
Feeling nice. I really lust there.
Nigga, what? Nigga, what?
I ain't punch it all the way though. I ain't punching. I ain't giving full throttle. You know what I'm saying? Get on my head. I don't give no fuck, though. I'm in that, SRT8,
Drop down again. What it working with, Pete?
Working with Lil something. I know Lil P, man. I want that supercharged motherfucker. I want to put it.
Yeah, no.
Man, we'll pick it up, man. If we hit the E-way or something, man. Y'all, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to get out a little something. Any type of real deal content or anything. So, you know, we just out here trying to ride these bikes. I'm about to bust my hands on this motherfucker trying to record with one hand, man. Out here in Cali, man. Y'all see the palm tree. Y'all know what's going on, man. Huh? Now we can go back the other way. Oh shit, I'm gonna bust my ass. Go burn that full. Burn that full one. You gonna flip that motherfucker. You see how we zoom? You see how we zoom? Oh shit. Motherfucker around, man. They gonna be here, fool, before I bust my ass, man. Cause that's what it look like I'm finna do. So I'm gonna resume it when we do something else. And my boy Smooth G.O., man.
Yeah, man, day 3.
Hey, nah, we good. We don't wanna go nowhere, you know what I mean? No movie star. I'm the star, you feel me?
We're no movie star. We
Yeah,
trying to be their neighbor.
You know me? No cow. You know, there's a whole lot of vibe, you know what I'm saying?
You can slide on the movie
I
later.
mean, it's just some vibe stuff going on down here, man. It's just a vibe down here. First time in California, you feel me? Little vibe going on. People everywhere, all different type of people. You know, I'm fucking with it. I'm messing with it, you feel me? Vibe, man. Damn, we got frozen. I don't see me for it, man.
Yeah, you know, we making music video. I mean, not music video, YouTube video.
You know what going
Big
on.
on fire with everybody. Yeah. They sell these everywhere. I don't know who eats these.
Actually, it's good though.
Hot dogs,
Yeah.
bacon wrappers, and they got onion cup.
Oh, man, they going to these weird stuff, man. I ain't going in there. You keep walking down. Trying to see different stuff. You feel me? Little 5-0. Slow old nigga. Damn, I thought they was Drake for a minute, my bad. I ain't gonna lie, fool. It's a vibe, fool.
Then now you gotta quit doing that retarded stuff, man.
I'm resuming, man. When we doing something entertaining, bro. Ain't
Nah,
nothing
bro,
entertaining right now.
Slow,
I just want to show y'all this, show y'all my video or whatever. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned though. You feel me? Yeah, I'm gonna put it up.
You got them two.
Man said Snow White.
You see the little girl right here?
Ooh, wee.
Yeah, nah.
You got that motherfucker sounding good, boy.
You got these damn munchkins, alright. Oompa Loompa got there.
Man, see, we got Oompa Loompa out here, man. He trifling, man. Man, big. You feel me? Whole lot of ooh.
Hey, go like on some YouTube shit and be like, put something.
Talking about the interview shit. Go on, interview somebody.
What you talking about interview like what?
Go on, interview all the camera.
What you talking about interview like what?
Just say some shit.
Say some shit.
Like what?
You a YouTuber, nigga.
You gotta tell me what,
I
fool.
don't know what you supposed to say, fool. I don't know. Start recording though. We trying to make
Why I
another
can't
video.
record,
plan.
fool?
How you gonna put that in there when we talking about making another?
Bruh,
private
this
video?
free. This a free blog. This a free
You gotta
blog.
ask somebody like a nigga in that blue jacket right there. He gonna do some fun ass shit. Nigga supposed to up on that wall.
He might say some retarded ass shit. Damn, we got I don't know who this man is right here, fool. We got
Captain Underpants.
this man funny.
With the GoPro and shit.
Who?
The underpants got one on.
He got GoPro on his bit. Shit. This man trying to make sure nobody don't bump into him, my boy.
Check that. That's a Ferrari.
Look at them boys. Nah, boy, they wasn't no goddamn Ferrari or damn
Look right
Porsche.
there, goofy.
My bad, pussy. Damn, it's a line though.
Alright, what? Somebody granddad in there.
Okay, this one right there so hard.
You better smash GT3 RS.
Wait till. Ooh, we them boy, mob of them, man. I'm finna step over some, man. You walking too slow, my nigga. Hey, this one right there, too, on my mom.
Why you gotta get a tongue? I thought you was
Right there,
smack
too. Man, see them boy?
How much caught one?
Man, bang.
Red came back.
Man, that high as a mug.
He shitting on all of them.
No cap.
That was ugly ass color though.
Stand on, just grow up and be something.